and welcome back to my channel. This is Leon Digital Nomad, aka the 360 Traveler, and we're here for a new little vlog of the city with my beautiful lens and camera. And that's from what I'm gonna film today. Today I'm gonna tell you about why I changed from the OnePlus 6 to the OnePlus 7 Pro and why it was a mistake and why I'm trying now to sell again this One 7 Pro, which is for me rubbish. Okay, let me tell you. So basically, the OnePlus 7 Pro, it's supposed to be the best phone of 2019, but not in my experience, not for me, because for me what really matters with a phone is how small it is, how portable it is, and that's really what I am noticing now. I don't want a bulky phone. I don't want a phone that would just like give me a hard time carrying around and just getting in my hand and just moving around in my hand and just enjoying up and down, right and left, you know. I just want something really that is really fast but also really light. So that's basically, and I know it's very specific of me. I guess not everybody really cares about that, and I'm not a small guy, but I'm not a very big guy either. So for me, having a huge phone doesn't matter. I don't have huge hands, I just have pretty normal hands. So basically, here you go, we got my OnePlus 6, and this little thing here is a beauty, okay? It's super light. It's about 175 grams, and I've been so used to it for the past year since I bought it in Hong Kong last June 2019 that it's really hard to just switch to a bigger phone. And when I looked it up online to buy it secondhand, I was like, okay, I want to upgrade my phone. Why? Because there's something that this phone doesn't have that I really wanted, and that actually I'm not really using now because I don't really travel around the city at this time, so I don't really use this functionality. But I normally take a lot of pictures around, but now I'm gonna start to take more pictures with my camera and my cameras actually, because I actually have more than one. So this is the wide angle mode, okay? Because now with the OnePlus 7 Pro and all the smartphones of 2019, 2020, you do have, in most of them, most of the flagship ones, you do have the wide angle option, right? So you can choose like between just the normal size of the picture or the zoom or the wide angle. And basically that's what was missing on my OnePlus 6. I really wanted this wide angle because I love wide angle pictures. Basically that's why I've been using this 4mm fisheye lens for the past few days because I just love it, and I hope you guys do too, okay? And it's been a lot of fun to use this lens, and that's also what I wanted with my phone. I wanted to be able to take not videos, mostly pictures, but I wanted to be able to take kick-ass pictures with everything in the frame, right? So that's why I wanted that. And over a week ago now, it's been almost 2 weeks, I went to meet this guy. I hold the phone in my hands and I just felt this is too bulky. And let me show you my OnePlus 7 Pro right here, okay? So I didn't know that would matter that much to me. But I don't know if you saw the video about the Huawei P20 Pro. I was also talking about the fact that the P20 Pro, although smaller than this one, was too big for me. And this one is just too thick and too heavy. This one is 209 grams, and I can tell you that from 175 grams to 209 grams, basically it's just over 30 grams. Shouldn't matter, right? But actually it does. The second thing I don't like about this phone is the curving. okay? There is a curved phone, and that I have a hard time dealing with that, because basically you have a screen which is bigger than the OnePlus 6, which is 6.7 almost, but it doesn't look like it. You put it next to the OnePlus 6, which is 6.27, and it looks almost the same size. It looks just slightly bigger. And actually I've been comparing it with my friends' phones, which have supposedly a smaller screen, like a 6-inch screen, for example. And actually the screen of a 6-inch phone is much larger, and that's what I was really looking for, a larger screen. That's what the P20 Pro didn't have. The screen was pretty narrow. So before to buy it, I should have tried it. The thing is, like, right now, because it's a last year phone, I don't think you can find it in any shop. So it would have been like pretty hard to try it. But that's it. At the end of the day, yeah, the OnePlus 6 is not as fast as the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro is super fast. It's the quickest, the fastest phone of last year. It has one of the biggest and the fastest chip, but it also has just the smoothest I don't know, ecosystem of the phone. Is just like super fast, and that's why a lot of people love it. But personally, just because of the form factor, just because it's a fucking brick, I don't like to carry it around. I don't like to hold it. I've been trying the few couple of days. It was not my favorite phone at all. Then I discovered a couple of functionality that it has. I took a few landscape pictures, wide angle pictures, and I loved this function. Although the P20 Pro, the P30 Pro and Samsung Note Plus S10 and S10 Note Plus has a wider angle, even a wider angle, and so those phones would make would just be better for me because they have a wider angle anyway. So I should have chosen them over this one. But also, I was interested, I was looking up for Oppo phones, and the Reno 2, which is like almost half the price. I saw it at $350. I bought this one $580 Singapore dollars. So for $350 secondhand, you can get a Reno 2, which has the wide angle, the picture quality is just a bit worse. And now the Reno 3 Pro is about the same price, $600. Is a phone from this year, which seems to be absolutely great, and that's the phone I should have chosen. But to tell you more about that, I'll choose another video. Next video will be maybe in Gardens by the Bay. That's gonna be great. See you later. Hit the like button.